on the channel. This time we check how to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later. So let's start. So if you have this problem on your Telegram account and you want to start login or something like that, but you can't, I recommend you to wait 20 minutes. You can wait 20 minutes and try again later. Another thing that you can do it is clear all the cache on your Telegram account. How you can do it? Well, just press your Telegram icon and then just press app info. Just wait a little bit until this is ready to use. Now that it's ready to use, just go to the part that says clear data and then just clear here on clear cache, and you will clear all the cache on your Telegram account. Just press OK and that will delete it. So guys, in that way you can start again, try to log in your account without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.